In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Airbnb coupon codes if you're planning a trip and want to save some money. Finding a coupon code can help you do just that. We'll walk through it step by step, and by the end of this video, you'll be all set to snag some savings on your next booking. Let's dive in. First up, you want to start by visiting trusted coupon websites. Some of the most popular ones are Retail Me Not, Groupon, and Coupons.com. These platforms are widely used for a reason. They're reliable, frequently updated, and provide users with a vast selection of discount codes across numerous retailers and services, including Airbnb. Once you're on one of these websites, you'll want to use the search bar on the homepage. Type in Airbnb coupon codes and hit enter. This will pull up a list of available codes for Airbnb. Some might be percentage-based discounts, while others could offer you a fixed amount off your booking. Make sure to explore these options to see what suits your needs best. Now, once you've got a list of codes in front of you, don't just jump at the first one you see. It's crucial to thoroughly check the terms and conditions of each code. Look at the expiration date to ensure it's still valid and see if there are any specific requirements or restrictions. For example, some codes might only be valid for first-time users or might have a minimum booking amount. Checking these details will save you from any disappointments during checkout. After you've identified a coupon code that fits your needs and its terms are agreeable, the next thing you need to do is to copy the code. Most websites offer a conveniently placed copy button next to the code, but you can also just highlight the code and right-click to copy it. With your code in hand, head over to the Airbnb website or open up the app if you haven't already. Begin the booking process as you normally would by choosing your preferred dates and accommodation. Now here's the crucial part. During the checkout process, there will be a field labeled Apply Promo Code. It's here that you'll want to paste the code you copied earlier. Simply right-click in the field and select Paste, or press Ctrl and V if you're using a PC or Command and V on a Mac. Double-check that it's entered correctly. Sometimes an extra space or missed character can cause the code to not work. Finally, complete your payment and voila! If the code is valid and all terms are met, the discount will be applied to your booking total. And there you have it, a straightforward way to secure a discount with an Airbnb coupon code. Remember, these codes can change frequently, so it's a good idea to make this a habit anytime you're looking to book a stay. I hope you find this guide helpful and save yourself some money on your next Airbnb adventure. Happy travels!